black mini refrigerator by RCA. This fridge is perfect for a small office, dorm room, kitchen, or playroom. The inside area of the fridge is generous, allowing you to organize your food and drinks. The thermostat control allows you to maintain your drinks and food at the ideal temperature. The reversible door and adjustable feet allow you to put this unit in any location.
The Cooluli Classic 4-liter mini fridge is a convenient and lightweight portable cooler and warmer. It uses green EcoMax technology to be energy efficient and ultra quiet without the use of any chemicals or gases. Use it anywhere to keep items cool or warm, such as food, drinks, snacks, beauty products, and more. Featuring a self-locking magnetic door handle, removable shelf and door pocket, comfortable carry handle, and easy-to-use controls. Its stylish design is perfect anywhere in your home, office, or on the go. Plug it into the wall for continuous power, into your car's DC adapter when you're on the road, or use our exclusive USB power cable to plug into your power brick and take it with you wherever you need to be. Keep your essentials cool or warm at home or on the go with the versatile Cooluli Classic Thermoelectric Mini Fridge.